नमस्कार, मैं अनीता वर्मा। आज हम करेंगे क्लास 7 इंग्लिश सप्लीमेंट्री लेसन 9 ए टाइगर इन द हाउस चैप्टर का सॉल्यूशन। इसमें हम वर्ड्स मीनिंग और क्वेश्चन आंसर दोनों करेंगे। वर्ड्स मीनिंग्स हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में दिए गए हैं, जिससे कि बच्चों को चैप्टर को समझने में इजी रहे। स्टार्ट करते हैं। वर्ड मीनिंग्स: स्ट्रोलिंग, वॉकिंग, चहलकदमी करते। इंट्रिकेट, कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, जटिल। डिस्टिंक्शन, इम्पोर्टेंस, महत्व। बैग्ड, कोट, प्राप्त किया। टेम्पटिंग, एंटीसिंग, लुभावना। डार्टेड, रस्टेड, तीव्रता से दौड़ा। एब्जॉर्ड, सीली, बेतुका। डैशिश, रंस, दौड़े। रिट्रीट, रिटर्न, लौटना। क्राफ्टी, कनिंग, धूर्तता से। क्राउचिंग, ब्लेंडिंग ऑन फोर लेग्स, दुबक कर बैठना। क्रीप, क्रॉल, रेंगना। रिट्रीवर, ए डॉग यूज्ड फॉर कैचिंग गेम, शिकार पकड़कर लाने वाला कुत्ता। रिकलिंग, रेस्टिंग, विश्राम करना। डिग्निटी, नोबिलिटी ऑफ मीन, शान से। स्नर्लिंग, ग्रोलिंग, गुर्राना। प्रोफेटिक, इन द नेचर ऑफ ए प्रोफेसी, भविष्य सूचक। फ्रेंजाइड, विथ वायलेंट एक्साइटमेंट, आवेश युक्त। क्रैकलिंग, हैंस नॉइज, मुर्गी की कुकड़ू। विलाइनस, विक्ड, दुष्टता से भरा। इंटेंट, डिजायर, इच्छा। इंटर्न, कैप्ट, बंद किया था। मैग्निफिसेंट, ग्रांड, शानदार। स्मैक्ड, स्लैप्ड, थप्पड़ मारा। शूड अवे, स्केर्ड अवे, डराकर भगा दिया। स्लिंग, स्लिप, खिसकना। वांडरिंग, रोमिंग, घूमना। स्टैमर्ड, स्पोक विथ पॉसेस, हकलाया। एक्सक्लेम, स्पोक विथ सरप्राइज, आश्चर्यचकित हुआ। रिलिश, टेस्ट, स्वाद। मम्बल्ड, विस्पर्ड, बुदबुदाए। स्कॉर्नफुल, हेटफुल, घृणा से। ब्रिस्कली, क्विकली, तीव्रता से। अब हम करेंगे क्वेश्चन आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, ही हैड द डिस्टिंक्शन ऑफ बीइंग द ओनली मेंबर ऑफ पार्टी टू हैव बैग्ड एनी गेम। द फ्रेज इन इटैलिक्स मीन्स: नंबर 1, ग्रैंडफादर वाज द मोस्ट डिस्टिंग्विश्ड member of the party. Number 2, grandfather was the only sports person in the party. Number 3, grandfather was the only successful member of the hunting party. Mark right answer. Answer: grandfather was the only successful member of the hunting party. Question number 2, complete the following sentences. Number 1, Toto climbed up the stairs when Timothy lost his temper. Number 2, when I came to live with grandfather, I became one of the tiger's favorite. Number 3, Timothy has clean habits and would scrub his face with his paws exactly like a cat. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, ग्रैंड मदर्स प्रोफेसी वाज दैट द टाइगर। नंबर 1, वुड प्रीफर महमूद्स बेड टू स्लीप इन। नंबर 2, एंड द कुक वुड डिसअपीयर टुगेदर फ्रॉम द हाउस। नंबर 3, वुड वन डे मेक ए मील ऑफ महमूद। मार्क द राइट आंसर. Answer: would one day make a meal of Mahmoud. Question number 2. When Timothy was about 6 months old, a change came over him. The phrase in italics means that: Number 1. Timothy had grown to his full size. Number 2. Timothy grew more friendly. Number 3. Timothy grew less friendly, in fact more dangerous. Answer: Timothy grew less friendly, in fact more dangerous. Question number 3. Write true or false against each of the following statements. Number 1. Timothy and grandfather went to Lucknow in a special compartment. True. Number 2. The compartment in which grandfather and Timothy travelled had no other passenger. True. Number 3. Timothy and grandfather traveled in a first class compartment too. Number 4. All passengers in the compartment thought that Timothy was a well fed and civilized tiger. False. Question number 4. Grandfather suggested that Timothy should be put in another cage. The reason was that number 1. The tiger had become very bad tempered. Number 2. A leopard in the next cage would constantly rush at Timothy. Number 3. The cage was too small for a full grown tiger. Answer. A leopard in the next cage would constantly rush at Timothy. Question number 5. The tiger was still licking his arm with increasing release. The phrase in italics suggested that Timothy number 1 was good natured, number 2 recognized an old friend, number 3 smelled fresh food. Answer. Smell fresh food. अब करेंगे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. डू यू फॉलोइंग एक्टिविटीज इन ग्रुप्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Question number 1. Where was the tiger cub hiding when grandfather found him? Answer. The little tiger cub was hiding among the roots of a banyan tree in the dry jungle near Dera. Question number 2. What did Toto do entertain Timothy? Number 2. What did he do when Timothy lost his temper? Answer. To entertainment Timothy, the bold monkey Toto pulled him by the tail. Toto would climb up the curtains if Timothy lost his temper. Question number 3. I became one of the tiger's favorite foods in the statement why did and think so. Answer. In the above statement, I stands for the narrator. Timothy keep closer and closer to the narrator, and then suddenly he would make a dash for his feet. He rolled over on his own back and kicked him with delight. He also pretended to bite the narrator's ankles. Therefore, the narrator thought that he had become one of the tiger's favorite. Question number 4. Where was Timothy most comfortable during the day? Where was he during the night? Answer. During the day, Timothy was the most comfortable on the long sofa in the drawing room. At night, he slept in the cook Mahmoud's quarters. Question number 5. What was the grandmother's prophecy about the cook? Did it come true? Answer. Grandmother's prophecy was that Timothy would someday sit on the Mahmoud's bed after killing and eating him up. These would be no sign of the cook except his clothes and shoes. No, the prophecy did not come true. Question number 6. What made grandfather decide to transfer Timothy to the zoo? Answer. When he was about 6 months, Timothy grew less friendly. He chased poultry at night and ate them up. He also started chasing Mahmoud about with evil intention. These incidents alerted grandfather and he decided to transfer Timothy to the zoo. Question number 7. Why did grandfather want Timothy to be put in another enclosure? Answer. A leopard in the next cage would frighten the tiger and he would spring away. The leopard would rush at the bars now and then. Grandfather wanted Timothy to be put in another enclosure to keep him away from the leopard. Question number 8. What shocked grandfather in the end? Answer. When grandfather was stroking and slapping Timothy lovingly, the keeper was observing him. He told that Timothy had died 2 months ago due to pneumonia and that it was a very dangerous and newly trapped tiger. It shocked grandfather at the end. 8th class 7th English supplementary lesson 9 A tiger in the house का solution. Thanks for watching.